We're looking at the 5 times table today, but first of all, here's our get ready questions. Pause the video and have a go. Did you count in fives? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. There are 25 apples. There are 10 fish, and here's our completed number track. I wonder if you did it left to right or right to left. Jack has built some towers using cubes. Nice towers. They look like skyscrapers, Jack. How many towers has he built? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many cubes in each tower? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many cubes altogether? There are 20 cubes altogether. The calculation for this is 4 times 5, or 4 groups of 5, which is 20. Or he could have said 5 4 times, which is also 20. Whitney's been building towers too. Nice, Whitney. Pause the video and have a go at answering the questions. Can you think of one multiplication sentence or two? How did you get on? 3 towers with 5 cubes in each, so 15 cubes altogether. 3 times 5 is 15, or 5 3 times is also 15. Dexter's been building towers too. Huge towers. Pause the video and have a think. How many towers has he built? How many cubes in each tower? And how many cubes altogether? And can you write the 2 multiplication sentences? That's right, 5 towers with 7 cubes in each tower. So 35 cubes. 5 times 7 is 35, or 7 times 5 is 35. It's your turn now. Have a go at questions 1 and 2 on the worksheet. Some questions are going to pop up for you to have a go at. Like this one. 2 times 5. I wonder how you calculated that. Did you think of it as 2 groups of 5? 5 plus 5, which is 10. What about this one? Did you count 6 fives? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Ooh, what about this one? Maybe you counted in fives, or maybe you know that 5 times 10 is 50, and then another 5 would be 55. Hold on, this is a bit tricky. Maybe I can count up in fives to 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I counted up 7 times. 5 times 7 is 35. Oh, I know that 5 times 7 is 35. So 5 times 8 will be 40, and 5 times 9 will be 45. Or 9 times 5. Amir and Alex have some money. Here's Amir's money. He's got 4 5-pences. And here's Alex's money. She's got 7 2-pences. Pause the video and think. How much money do they have all together? Amir has 4 times 5, which is 20 pence. And Alex has 7 times 2, which is 14 pence. Altogether, they have 34 pence. 20 plus 14 is 34. Dexter has noticed that 5 times 5 is the same as 1 times 5 plus 4 times 5. Look, the red counters are 1 times 5 and the yellow counters are 4 times 5, and altogether we have 5 times 5. Pause the video and have a think. Are there any other ways we could represent 5 times 5? Maybe 2 times 5 plus 3 times 5. How did you get on? Did you spot 2 times 5 plus 3 times 5? What about 2 times 5 plus 2 times 5 plus 1 times 5? What about 1 times 5 plus 3 times 5 plus 1 times 5? Have a go at using less than, greater than, or equal to complete the comparisons. If you'd like to make an array out of counters or cubes or any small objects you have, that might be really useful. Pause the video to have a go. How did you get on? Did you see that 3 times 5 is equal to 5 times 3? Look, here are 3 groups of 5, and using the same counters we can make 5 groups of 3. They're equal. What about 5 times 5 plus 5 times 5? Ah yes, that's equal to 5 times 10. So what about 9 times 5? Ah yes, that's greater than 10 times 5 minus 2 times 5. It's your turn now. Have a go at the questions on the worksheet.